Shade is one of the most valuable things a mature tree gives you, and it's also one of the hardest things to be patient about. Most trees grow slowly, but some trees grow fast, genuinely fast, 3 to 5 feet a year, and they do it without the problems that typically come with fast growth. In this video, we're covering 7 of the best fast-growing shade trees you can plant this spring. Let's get into it. Number 1. River Birch Heritage. River birch is one of the most distinctive and adaptable shade trees in North America, and Heritage is the variety that took everything good about the species and made it better. The growth rate is impressive, 3 to 5 feet per year under good conditions, but what sets river birch apart from other fast growers is the visual interest it provides year-round. The bark is the signature feature. It peels in curling layers of cream, tan, and salmon, creating a texture and color that looks especially beautiful in winter, when there's nothing else competing for attention. In summer, the fine textured foliage creates a soft, dappled shade that's particularly pleasant. Heritage is resistant to birch leaf miner and bronze birch borer, the two biggest problems that affect other birch varieties. It tolerates wet soils, adapts to a wide range of conditions, and is native throughout much of the eastern U.S. Plant it where the peeling bark can be seen up close, near a patio, along a walkway, or as a multi-stemmed specimen in a prominent spot. Number 2. Tulip Poplar. Tulip poplar is one of the fastest-growing native trees in North America and one of the most underappreciated in home landscapes. It can easily put on 4 to 6 feet of growth per year, reaching a substantial size relatively quickly. The flowers that give it its common name appear in late spring on mature trees, large tulip-shaped blooms in yellow, green, and orange that are genuinely beautiful up close, though they're often high enough in the canopy to go unnoticed. The foliage is a distinctive 4-lobed shape, unlike any other common tree, and it turns a clean golden yellow in fall. Tulip poplar grows tall, potentially 60 feet or more at maturity, which makes it best suited to larger properties where a serious canopy tree is appropriate and desirable. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and full sun, and it's native to much of the eastern U.S., where it plays an ecological role. For anyone who needs shade fast and has the space for a genuine forest tree, this is one of the best choices available. Number 3. Red Maple October Glory. If you want a fast-growing shade tree that also delivers one of the most spectacular fall color displays in North American horticulture, red maple is the answer, and October Glory is the variety that consistently performs best. Growth rate runs 3 to 5 feet per year, and the tree develops a full, rounded canopy that provides dense shade relatively quickly. But the real moment for October Glory comes in fall. The foliage turns an intense, saturated red color that holds longer than almost any other red maple variety. In areas where fall color can be inconsistent, this cultivar delivers reliably, year after year. It's native to the eastern U.S., adaptable to wet or average soils, and widely available at nurseries across the country. October Glory grows 40 to 50 feet tall at maturity, making it a genuine canopy tree suited to medium to large yards. Plant it where fall color can be appreciated, where you see it from the house, from the street, or anywhere it can anchor the autumn landscape. Number 4. Bald Cypress. Bald cypress defies expectations in almost every direction, and that's a significant part of what makes it so valuable. It's a deciduous conifer, which is already unusual, a needle-bearing tree that drops its foliage in fall like a broadleaf. The needles are soft and feathery, turning a warm russet orange before dropping, and the bare winter silhouette has a sculptural quality that most shade trees can't approach. growth rate is 2 to 3 feet per year, building into a tall, elegant form with finely textured foliage that creates a particularly soft, filtered shade. What truly sets bald cypress apart is its adaptability. It grows natively in swampy bottomlands, but handles average garden soil with equal ease. It tolerates drought, flooding, heat, and cold. Insects and disease rarely bother it. This is a tree that will outlast almost anything else you could plant. Some specimens live for hundreds of years. For any yard looking for a long-term shade investment that also happens to be visually distinctive, bald cypress is hard to beat. Number 5. Sweet Bay Magnolia. While most magnolias get attention for their spring flower show, Sweet Bay Magnolia offers something more unusual, a tree that blooms through summer, holds its leaves through winter in warmer climates, and stays in a size range that works for real residential yards. The flowers are creamy white with a strong, sweet, lemony fragrance that carries beautifully on warm evenings. They appear in late spring and continue sporadically through summer, which gives this tree a much longer period of bloom interest than most magnolias. The foliage is attractive and semi-evergreen, holding through winter in zones 7 and above, dropping in colder climates. Sweet Bay grows 15 to 30 feet depending on climate, which puts it in a useful mid-size range. It handles wet soils better than almost any other magnolia, adapts to part shade, and is native throughout much of the eastern U.S. For smaller yards, shaded sites, or anywhere a full-sized canopy tree would be too much, Sweet Bay offers beauty and fragrance in a much more manageable package. Number 6. American Sycamore. American sycamore is the tree for gardeners who think big and are willing to let a tree become something truly magnificent over time. The growth rate is among the fastest of any native tree, 3 to 6 feet per year, building quickly into a massive, wide-spreading canopy. The bark is the most immediately striking feature. It flakes away in patches to reveal a mosaic of cream, white, olive, and tan underneath, creating a texture that's completely unlike any other North American tree. At scale, a mature sycamore has a presence that very few landscape trees can match. This is a large tree, potentially 100 feet tall and equally wide at maturity, which means it belongs in larger properties, parks, or any setting where genuinely grand scale is appropriate. It tolerates wet soils, adapts to a wide range of conditions, and is native across much of the eastern U.S. If you have the space and the patience to let a tree become something extraordinary, sycamore rewards that commitment more than almost anything else you could plant. Number 7. Swamp White Oak. Oaks have a reputation for growing slowly, and for most species, that reputation is earned. Swamp white oak is the exception, and it's the fast-growing oak that doesn't make you compromise on anything. Growth rate runs 2 to 3 feet per year, fast for an oak, and it builds into a substantial, long-lived shade tree with a broad, rounded canopy. The foliage is two-toned, dark green on top, silvery white beneath, so that when the wind moves through the tree, it shimmers in a way that's genuinely beautiful. Fall color is a respectable yellow to brown. The acorns feed wildlife through fall and winter. Swamp white oak tolerates wet soils and seasonal flooding better than most oaks, which broadens where it can be planted. It's native to the eastern U.S., exceptionally long-lived, centuries, not decades, and provides tremendous ecological value to the landscape. For anyone who wants to plant a shade tree and know it will outlast them, outlast their house, and become part of the permanent landscape, swamp white oak is one of the most responsible and rewarding choices available. Those are 7 fast-growing shade trees worth planting this spring, each one chosen not just for speed, but for what it becomes over time. If this helped, subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.